Hello there. Still struggling with messy staff tracking and payroll errors? Tired of unclear schedules and zero visibility into your team's performance? Zon Staff Management fixes it all, from attendance to tasks, in one powerful system. Work smarter, stay organized, and take full control of your team. Before jump in, let me tell you what exactly you will learn. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use every feature of Zon Staff Management. Zon Staff is complete staff management platform for POS retailers. Manage employee schedules, time tracking, breaks, timesheets, and point of sale commission program, payroll, holidays, and time off requests, all from one intuitive dashboard. So by the end, you'll be managing your team like a pro. Let's start. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have three things ready. First, an active Shopify store with POS enabled. Second, you must be logged in as the store owner or have admin permissions. Third, install Zon Staff Management from the Shopify App Store. One quick tip, make sure your POS devices are updated and connected to your Shopify account. This will save you from connection issues later. Got all three? Great. Let's set up the app. After you install the app, you'll land on the onboarding page. We call it the stepper page. This is your setup guide. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. View Web Portal. Access the staff web portal to manage your team and explore all essential features in one place. Clock in/out, track attendance by starting or ending shifts securely with a PIN. Manager view, monitor staff performance, attendance, and activities in real time. My profile and shifts, view personal details, work hours, schedules, and earnings. Task list, access and complete assigned daily, weekly, or monthly tasks. Time off, submit and manage leave requests. View shifts, check upcoming and past shifts with full schedule details. Step 2. Enroll your staff in the app. Click on Setup button. Here you can add your Shopify and non-Shopify staff. I will explain this in detail later. Step 3. Add app to Shopify. POS, click the Add App button. You'll be taken to your Shopify POS settings page. I already installed Shopify POS app. Select the app. Now click on Add button to add it. I already added. When you complete all these steps, then click on Mark as done. Before adding staff, let me explain how to add tiles in the POS app. There are two ways to add tiles, using a laptop or a mobile phone. I will explain both methods. To add a tile on a laptop, click on Point of Sale, then click on Settings, and then click on POS Apps. Click on the tile you want to add, and then click on Add. That's it. The tile will be added. Now let's try it on mobile phone. Open the Shopify POS app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Click on Add Tile, then click on App. Now select the Zon Staff app, then simply click on Add here and save it. The tile will be added. Now for the most important part, adding your team. Go to the Staff tab. You'll see two tabs, Shopify staff and non-Shopify staff. This is brilliant because you can add everyone, even people who never touch a POS device. Let's add a Shopify staff member first. Click Add Shopify staff. Fill in their first name, last name, and email. Phone number is optional but helpful. Next, choose their position. Owner has full power, manager can do most things, staff has basic access. Choose wisely. Now set a 4-digit PIN. This is how they log into the POS. You can type your own PIN or click Generate Random. Just make sure you tell them their PIN. Location access. Choose all locations if they can work anywhere, or specific location if they're only at one store. Now money. Set the currency. Choose payroll type, hourly, weekly, or monthly, then enter the amount. Pick payment method, cash or bank transfer. Review everything. Click Save. Done. The staff member is now in your list. Adding non-Shopify staff is exactly the same. Just click the non-Shopify staff tab, then Add non-Shopify staff. Fill in the same details, perfect for warehouse workers, drivers, or cleaners. Need to find someone? Use the search bar and filters. Want to edit or delete? Just check the box next to their name, then click Edit Staff or Delete Staff. Simple. Every staff member has a detailed profile. Just click their name. You'll see 3 tabs at the top: Overview, Commission Program, and Payroll. The Overview tab is a goldmine. You'll see total earnings, total hours worked, working hours, after breaks, break time, commission earned, paid amount, unpaid amount, absent days, unpaid salary, total transactions, bonus, total leaves, paid leaves, and unpaid leaves. Everything in one place. On the right side, you see their personal info: name, email, phone, position, payment method, payroll type, and location. Click Edit anytime to update. Scroll down for the daily activity log. You see each day their status, location, break time, clock in and clock out times, and total hours. Need to fix a missed clock out? You can manually add or edit times right here. You can also export attendance data to Excel for payroll. The Commission Program tab shows every commission they earned: order date, amount, payment status, perfect for tracking sales incentives. The Payroll tab shows their payment history, all transparent, no surprises. Want to see the big picture? Go to the Reports tab. The Overview dashboard shows collective data for all staff: total staff count, active staff, total working hours, total breaks, total absence, total earnings, paid and unpaid amounts, leaves, commissions, and bonuses, plus individual staff summaries below. Use the date selector to pick any time period, compare week to week. The Daily Activity tab gives you a minute-by-minute log of who did what. Click Export to download everything as an Excel file. Great for payroll audits. The Staff Activity tab shows every clock in, clock out, and break for all staff. Again, you can filter by date and export. You can customize the location by assigning different colors. Choose any color, click Update Color. Click on Copy Week. To copy your weekly schedule, first select a target week using any date within that week. Then choose whether to clear existing shifts before copying or add new shifts alongside existing ones. By clicking Print Schedule, you can print the schedule. If you want to delete all shift, click on Clear All Shifts. Want to motivate your staff with commissions? Go to Commission Program tab and click Create Program. Give your program a name, like Summer Sale Bonus. Choose commission type: fixed amount, like $5 per sale, or percentage, like 10% of each sale. Toggle Calculate Commission after discount if you want commission on the final price. For limited time offers, check Limited Time Commission and pick start and end dates. On the right, search and select which staff members get this commission. Now choose products. You can apply commission to all products or only specific products. For specific products, you can set different commission values per product. Use Bulk Update to apply the same value to many products at once. Click Save. Only eligible staff can be selected. This ensures every commission is recorded accurately. Payroll time. Go to the Payroll tab. You'll see every staff member's pay package, salary, commissions, and payment status. To pay someone, click Create Payouts next to their name. Review their total earnings and commissions. Choose payment type: salary, commission, or bonus. Select payment method: cash, bank transfer, or check. You can even upload a receipt or proof of payment. Click Save to record the payout. Important note: Zon does not automatically send money. Yet, you still need to pay your staff externally. But Zon helps you track everything perfectly. And good news, automated payments are coming in a future update. Keep your team on track with task lists. Go to Task List tab and click Create Task List. Give your task list a name, like Morning Stock Check. Add a description. Choose who it's assigned to: staff, managers, or both. Pick locations, all or specific. Set the timeline: daily, weekly, or monthly. Click Add Task to add individual tasks. You can add as many as you want. Drag and drop to rearrange the order. Click Save. Your staff will see their tasks on their POS device or the staff portal. They can tap a task, click Complete, and the progress bar updates in real time. If someone makes a mistake, they can click Mark Incomplete to revert. This keeps everyone accountable. Time off requests can be a headache, but not with Zon. Go to the Time Off tab, Click View Policy to see your policies. You have 2 default policies plus any custom ones you create. To create a new policy, click Create Policy. Give it a name like sick leave. Choose paid or unpaid. Set the default full day duration, usually 8 hours. Click Save. Staff can request time off from their POS device or the staff portal. They pick start and end dates, choose a policy, write a reason, and submit. The request goes instantly to managers and owners. Managers and owners see 3 tabs. My requests for their own time off. Staff requests to create requests on behalf of staff. And approvals to review pending requests. Each request shows the staff name, policy, dates, reason, and submission date. Click Approve or Decline. If a manager already decided, you as the owner can override their decision. Zon also gives you a staff portal link. Copy this link and share it with your team. They can access it from any web browser. No POS device needed. You can control which tiles they see by checking or unchecking boxes. This gives you full flexibility. Finally, let's look at settings. This is where you fine-tune everything. Clock event settings. You can deduct break time from total hours, calculate salary starting from first clock in date, prevent breaks after scheduled end time, and let managers see payroll stats in POS. Absence calculation settings. Exclude paid leaves from absences, include unpaid leaves, automatically add paid leaves to salary, deduct unpaid leaves, deduct unapproved absences, and set default daily working hours, usually 8. Holiday rules. Select which days are holidays. Those days won't be counted as absences. Fair and simple, and that's everything. You've set up your staff, schedules, commissions, payroll, tasks, time off, and fine-tuned your settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Have questions? Check the Zon Staff Management Help Center or leave a comment below. Don't forget to install Zon Staff Management from the Shopify App Store. Happy managing, and I'll see you in the next video.